Hey everyone, my name is Aisha Arningwali and I am student in Rehan AI Teachers Training Institute Batch 21 Level 1. So today I am gonna give my review on the TED Talk topic is New Power by Jeremy Hammonds. So first of all, I would like to introduce the speaker. Jeremy Hammonds delivers a powerful and a thoughtful, provoking talk titled What New Power Looks Like when he explores how power is shifting in the modern world. As a co founder of global movements and a leader in social impact initiatives, Hammers brings deep insight into how collective action is reshaping leadership and influence. In this TED Talk, he introduces the concept of new power versus old power, setting the foundation for understanding the transformation taking place in society today. The talk begins by defining old power as something that is held tightly by a few, much like a currency that is carefully controlled and distributed from the top down. Traditional institutions, governments, and corporations have long operated within this model where authority is centralized and participation is limited. In contrast, Hammonds introduces new power as a current, something that flows, grows, and becomes stronger. When more people participate, he emphasizes that in today's digital age, power is no longer about possession but about participation, collaboration, and sharing. Throughout the talk, Hammonds highlights real world examples to illustrate this shift. He references how platforms like social movements, online communities, and digital campaigns have enabled ordinary people to come together and create extraordinary impact. From global activism to viral campaigns, these examples show how individuals, when connected, can challenge traditional systems and influence decisions at the highest level. He also explained how organizations that successfully harms a new power by inviting participation and co-creation are often more adaptive and influential than those that rely solely on the traditional authority. A critical part of the discussion focuses on the tension between old and the new power. Hammonds explains that many established institutions attempt to adopt the appearance of new power, using the language of openness and participation without genuinely shifting control. This creates a superficial version of engagement which can ultimately lead to distrust. The true new power, he argues, requires authenticity, transparency, and a willingness to share control with the broader community. The talk explores the implications of this shift for leadership. Hammond suggests that effective leaders in the modern era are not those who command from the top, but those who empower others, build communities, and enable participation. Leadership is no longer about authority alone, it is about the influence, connection, and the ability to mobilize people, move here and there around a shared purpose. This represents a fundamental change in how organizations, educators, and innovators must think about their roles. In conclusion, this TED Talk provides a compelling framework for understanding how power operates in the 21st century. It challenges traditional notion of control and encourages a more inclusive, participatory approach to the leadership and change making. This message is clear: those who embrace new power by engaging people, sharing ideas, and building communities will be better positions to create meaningful and lasting impact in an increasingly connected world. So, okay. So, for my point of view, Jeremy Hammonds clearly shows that power today is no longer about control but about connection and participation. His ideas in what new power looks like made me realize that real influence comes from engaging people and giving them a voice. I believe this shift is especially important for educators and leaders who want to create meaningful impact. Overall, this talk changed how I see leadership in the modern digital world. So, this is my review on the TED Talk. I hope you like my review and you learn a lot from this thing. Till then, stay connected, take care.